In this video, I'm gonna show you how to blur background in your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and create a story by swiping your screen to the right. You can see circle icons at your screen and swipe left to reach the rightmost option, which is Browse Effects, and tap on it. Using the search tool at the top, search for blurred background. And then from the results that will show, feel free to choose any of the filters that is available in Instagram. So let me choose this one. And if you use your camera to take a picture or record a video, it will automatically blur the background. So for instance, let me just grab this orange, and as you can see, the background is being blurred. So just take a photo of it